Hi everyone. Since today we will learn how you can get your OpenRouter API key. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. So simply type here OpenRouter. It will be very first website. So simply click here. So you can see we are getting a button here, get API key. But before that, we need to click on sign up. Here you can enter your email or password, or you can go with the Google login. I'll go with Google login. Click on it. Here you need to enter your Gmail ID and password and you're good to go. I'll skip this part. Now once you're logged in, you need to click on this button, get API key. You'll get this sort of interface. Simply click on create. You can give it a name. I'll make it test. Leave this input empty and simply click on create. Here you will find your API key. Simply click here to copy because you will not be able to see it again. Simply click on this. Now the key is copied and you can save it in a text file. So that's my key and that's all what you need. Now you can take this key and use in whatever project you want. That's enough for today. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.